everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a luxurious at-home spa-style pedicure courtesy of VOESH New York. So they're actually sponsoring this video, but everything that I'm doing, using, trying, and sharing with you is all my own opinion. So VOESH sent me their famous Pedi in a box, and not just any Pedi in a box, they're chocolate lovers Pedi in a box. So what this is a deluxe 4-step complete pedicure system. So there's a soak, a scrub, a mud mask, and a massage butter. So everything in here is just gonna completely transform your feet, and I'm so excited to try it out. So here I have a soaking tub. It's filled with warm water and the chocolate salt soak. So I am just going to roll up my pant legs. So I already removed all of the polish on my toenails, and now I'm just gonna pop them in this water. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. I haven't soaked my feet in a really long time, and it really smells like chocolate. This would be such a fun at-home DIY Valentine's Day treat for yourself, your partner, or your girlfriends. So VOESH is just encouraging everyone to take a moment to indulge in a little bit of self-love, self-care, and just take a moment to treat yourself. And I love that they're Pedi in a box. It's a really affordable beauty system, and it's something that's very easy to do at home. My legs are so dry, they're so pale. It's just that time of year. If you live anywhere cold, you know how it goes. All my skin is like flaking. But have you ever gone to the salon to get a pedicure and you're wearing either leggings or skinny jeans? You just like didn't think, so you were stuck wearing really tight pants, and then you have to try to get your feet into the tub without getting your pants wet, and you can roll them up to like here because they won't get past your calves. I've experienced that a time or two. It's awful, but that's why I always put on just like a huge pair of sweatpants when I'm getting ready to film or do my pedicures. So total transparency, I got ready this morning, set up everything to film, and then realized I didn't have a good soaking bowl or tub. When I do my pedicures at home, I don't usually soak my feet. I'll treat them in the shower really quickly before starting the pedicure. So I just ran out to the Dollar Tree and I picked up this awesome dish tray, soaking dish tub, which is the perfect thing to have on hand for your at-home pedicures. If you are subscribed to my channel, you know that a few weeks ago I put up a video sharing all of the different mani and pedi things you can find at the Dollar Tree, and I wish I added this to the mix, but here I am telling you now. So this chocolate love soak is made with cocoa seed butter. It smells so good. It really does smell like a packet of hot cocoa. And my feet are feeling amazing. So soft. I really wish I soaked my feet more often because it's just such a luxurious little treat. But I think right now I'm going to move on to the scrub. So step 2 in the Pedi in a box is the sugar scrub. Okay, so far this is definitely my favorite part. I don't do this enough. I feel like my pedicures are just like maintenance routine pedicures, which is fine. My feet aren't like horrible where they need a ton of maintenance, but oh my gosh, these at-home treatments are so nice. Oh, okay, this feels amazing. My legs and feet feel so soft. I feel like the chocolate element of it just makes it even more luxurious and fancy. All right, I'm gonna go rinse my feet with clean water, refill the tub with fresh warm water, then we're gonna move on to the third step in this pedicure. Okay, feet and legs are all washed. They're so smooth and they smell really good. I'm moving on to step 3, which is the mud mask. This again has cocoa seed butter in it. I'm just gonna apply it to my feet and lower legs and then wash it off after about 3 to 5 minutes. So I filled this with warm to hot water. I'm gonna let this sit for a bit. I'm gonna use it in a little while, but let's put the mask on. All right, this one smells really good too. I don't know if I've ever done a foot mask. Need to leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, so that's not too much. Put it on the towel there, because I don't know how you could suspend your feet for that long. I guess if I was sitting in a chair. But I like to do my pedis on the floor. So how has everyone's 2022 been treating them so far? Did you set any goals or resolutions? Are you sticking to them? I have to say, overall, mine has been pretty good. My word for this year is consistency, and I've written a blog post about this. I haven't published it yet. It might be live before this video goes live, but my main goal this year is just to stay consistent with everything that I'm doing. I don't want to overload myself. I don't want to put too much on my plate so that I physically can't keep up with it. So when I was planning out my year, I tried to make really manageable goals, daily, weekly, and monthly, so hopefully I'll be able to stick to them. So far, so good. But as I mentioned, I think in my last pedicure video, I wanted to start budgeting this year, and I have totally been doing that, and I love it. I've never budgeted ever before in my life, and now that we have some bigger purchases and goals on the horizon, I really wanted to just laser focus, tunnel vision on those goals, and budgeting has been one of those tools that's really helping me do that. So I've been maintaining my budget so far. One category that I'm trying to reel in and just be better about is groceries and meal planning. I really struggle to meal plan, but I've been taking the time every week to plan out the meals for the next week, and then I started using the grocery pickup service at my local grocery store. So my sister-in-law has been trying to get me to do this forever, and I finally did it this year. If you are not ordering your groceries for pickup, you are missing out. It has completely changed my life. It makes meal planning so much easier because I'll plan out the meals, check the cabinets to see what we have, see what I can use that we already have, and then add to my cart as I plan. So it's been such a game changer. I love it. I haven't fully grocery shopped in over a month at this point, and I don't know if I'll ever go back. I just wasn't a good grocery shopper. I know some people really enjoy it and they're really good at it. Me, not so much. What I love about shopping online is that you can really price match items. You can apply coupons. Like, I don't coupon at home. I wouldn't go to the grocery store with coupons, so it's kind of nice that they're all there in one place. It's made my life so much easier. I've definitely saved a ton of money, and I can't recommend it enough. So that was one of my personal goals this year, was just to meal plan and get better about grocery shopping. So check. In terms of YouTube goals, I really wanted to post one video a week, and that's what I've done for the month of January, but I think I'm gonna up it to 2 videos a week moving forward. Maybe I'll even alternate every other month, like 1 video a week, 2 videos a week. Because it can be hard to play catch up, but I have videos pretty much pre-filmed through February already, so I feel like I'm ahead of the game, and I love being able to share 2 videos a week. It's always been my main goal. I've just never been consistent with it. So after sticking to the 1 video a week, I think I can up it. I don't know, let me know your thoughts. Also, let me know when you tend to watch YouTube videos. This is a question that I ask everyone. I watch YouTube videos all the time. Like morning, noon, night, weekends, weekdays. I'll always throw them on. I love that my home screen just shows me all the channels that I'm subscribed to, so I know when some of my favorite creators post. I'm familiar with their posting schedules, but I know the video is going to be there. That's the best part about YouTube. You don't have to tune in live. You don't have to tune in the moment it goes live. So I'm not always too concerned about posting times. I'm more so just curious. All right, let's wash this mask off because it looks like it's pretty much dried. I'm going to slide this over. I could just soak my feet forever. Oh my God, my feet are going to be so happy with me. It feels so good. This is a really, really moisturizing mask. It feels like it's made with shea butter. It's not washing off super easily. It's like really on there. I honestly feel like a new woman. I'm gonna move on to step 4 in this pedi kit, the massage butter. This is meant to be massaged onto the feet and lower leg thoroughly until absorbed. Again, this smells like delicious chocolate. It's a nice butter too. It's thick, but it's not too thick. It really does absorb really nicely into the skin. It leaves a nice little sheen. Did I mention it smells amazing? Wow, my feet actually have never been happier. It's definitely been a while since I treated them like this. And this is perfect timing because I'm about to go to Florida for a week, so I will have a fresh pedi ready for a little sandal weather. All right, now I'm just gonna pop in my little toe separators, do a quick little clipping and filing, and then we're gonna get to painting. I'm just going to take a little acetone right now and remove any of the oil or lotion that is on the nail. Alright, so I'm just painting a pretty fuchsia pink polish onto my toes. Very V-Day inspired. I really don't get too, not even creative, just experimental with my pedicures. I usually stick to pinks or like burgundies or reds. I feel like those are the only colors I ever want to put on my toes. But to be fair, the pink family is very vast. You could do a hot pink, you could do a light, almost white pink, a mauve-y pink, but that's what I like. Let me know in the comments your go-to pedicure colors. I don't think I've ever done like a green, I don't want to say ever, but like a green, a blue, a purple. In recent memory, I honestly can't think of one. But my feet look so good and they smell so good. I love this kit so far. It's definitely a great affordable option if you want something super luxe at home. I'll be sure to link it below. I use the entire kit on myself, but I think you could split one Pedi in a box for 2 people. They are really generous with the amount of product they give in each packet. So VOESH also sent over a bunch of really cute nail stickers. They're all very Valentine's Day, love themed. There's some kiss emojis, some heart eye emojis, a bunch of hearts, and kissy lips. I'm gonna put one of the little pink hearts on my big toe. A cute little addition. Now, I am not huge on nail art, but I really do like stickers because they're so easy and it's a great way to just add a little something cute to your mani or pedi. I like to put my nail stickers on before I do my top coat. There we go. Success. All right, now we're gonna go in with our top coat and wrap up this pedi. Pedi I have done in the longest time. I am obsessed. My feet look and feel absolutely amazing. I haven't had this fab of a pedicure in like a long time. All right, let's hide these white legs now that we're all done. And that is it for this video and this pedi. They came out so cute. I am in love. Let me take out my little toe separators. Thank you so much to VOESH for sponsoring this video and sending me their pedi in a box. It was so quick and easy to use and the results were fabulous. Honestly, for the price point, I don't know if I would have expected results like this. These feet are like salon quality. A direct link to purchase will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And leave me a comment below letting me know if you've tried this pedi in a box before or if you've used any of the other fabulous products from VOESH. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye!